Alright, so what's going on, guys? My name's CG Build and welcome back to another video. Alright, so I just want to get this out the way. This is my best sounding and arguably best looking keyboard I have ever built on this channel. And it's not even that expensive. First, I want to say that we're super close to 10k subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. So first, we got to start with the keyboard kit. This is the FEAKER IK75. Now, this was sent to me for free, and I will have a link in the description with a little bit of a discount code. So it is limited time, so go check that out. But let me tell you something. This kit is sick. I'm not playing when I say this. I am genuinely a big supporter of this. Going into this, I was thinking this looks cool and it could be a decent video. Now that I have it and I got to mod it, which we are definitely doing this video, I absolutely love this thing. First glance, looks like a Q1 or a GMMK Pro. The only difference being the case, LED placement, and what it comes with. The case, according to them, a transparent milky white. I mean, if you look at it, I guess. It actually feels really solid and smooth to the touch. The LEDs are north facing, which can be a deal breaker for some people, but I did a comparison. I didn't really hear a sound difference, so I mean, it is what it is. And it comes with a polycarbonate plate. Big plus. The Q1 with the polycarbonate plate that you have to buy separately would be $175, and the GMMK Pro with the same plate would be $190. This is all without tax or shipping fees. But the FEAKER IK75 comes with it all and is only 95 bucks. Now, yes, you missed the aluminum case, but honestly, not a deal breaker. Now, I've already done an unboxing on my shorts, so I already replaced the aluminum plate with the polycarbonate one. It comes with a nice braided USB Type-C cable and a nice dust protector. In the bag would be the other plate, but it has the aluminum in it because I've already swapped it out, like I said. Now, looking at this looks pretty sick, and it comes with a knob. A f***ing knob. Everyone loves knobs. Now, I want to do some mods to this, so we got to disassemble it, which sadly took me way longer than what I want to admit to. You pop the knob off, and then you unclip all the sides from the bottom housing of the case. Now, I didn't mention this, but it is gasket mounted, and the gaskets admittedly aren't that good, but we can fix that. Inside, you have 3 pieces of foam, which honestly, nothing to be thrilled about, pretty cheap stuff. But once again, I got a mod for that. After that, you got to unscrew the screws, which, spoiler alert, we aren't going to be screwing them back in. I mean, everything is disassembled. Now I want to work with the stabs. These are just some stock clip-ins that come with the board. And my guy, I did not expect these to sound as good as they did. Show the sneak peek. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Alright, that was too much already. So these did have some lube in them from the factory, but we wiped that disgrace of a lube job off and began lubing them myself. Lube used for the whole build was Krytox 205G from Kinetic Labs. I will have a link below, so go buy some. I didn't film me lubing them because that shit is boring, but then I did a little test to see if it was all good. Oh shit, wait, I did film it. Oh well, skip it. Now I didn't have to clip them because they were already flat, so once again, big plus. But now we can start with the modding. Now, I don't want to say I invented this, because someone had to have done it before me, but I'm going to say I invented this. I haven't seen anyone use this, so just call it the CG mod, because my name, CG Build, CG. Anyways, I found this medical wrap when I was looking for band-aids for another mod, and I thought, wait, this would be perfect. It's thick, easy to work with. I have no idea if it's going to work, but let's do it. So I cut 2 pieces and fold it on top of each other, so it's like one on top of the other, and placed it inside. For the batteries, I didn't care because I literally am never going to use them, but you can definitely cut holes for them, I just didn't. But I pushed the fabric around the mounting holes and for it to screw in, but then I remembered we're not going to screw it in anyways, so yeah, it doesn't really matter about that, but if you are going to screw it in, make sure to do that. But you'll see at the sound test at the end that it sounds so good. But back to the mods. Next, we're going to be doing the tape mod. Now, everyone knows this if you have been on a video about keyboards or any budget builds, but I thought it would give it a nice sound at the end result. I used 3 layers for top, middle, and bottom, and that's it. But next, we're going to do another mod for the gasket mount. I'm going to use this waterproof patch and tape for a more bouncy typing experience. Now, once again, I've never seen anyone use this. Probably because, why would you? I'm just using something different, mainly because I don't have any mounts or PE foam. I don't know, it's different and it's kind of cool. But this tape is pretty puffy, and I didn't want to use something too thick but more relaxed to give the already silicone gaskets in the case a chance to work. I cut small pieces and placed them on the plate where they would be hitting the gaskets. It came out better than what I thought, so it's a win in my book. Then I put it all back together, but this time I didn't put the screws back in and I took off the old screw mounts, so now I can have more of a chance with the gaskets. Now for the switches. I contacted Kinetic Labs and they sent me out some Husky switches. These are a linear switch which comes in at $45 for a 90 pack, which is the amount you would need for this build. Now stock, they are very pingy, so I had to lube them. which I do love looping switches, but I have carpal tunnel in my left hand. Yes, it's weird because I'm only 21. So this was a very complicated thing for me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Now I used Krytox 205G from Kinetic Labs once again, and it came out really nice. I bag lubed the springs and did the normal technique for everything else when it comes to looping switches. You can go get these switches on Kinetic Labs. The link will be in the description. Now we can move on to placing them into the board. Oh yeah, and they also come with a bag that's like super cute, has a Husky on it, and a little sticker. Once again, super cute. Now we can put the knob back on and take a step back and appreciate the view. For this mouse pad you see, it's also from Kinetic Labs. See Navy Blossom one, you go check it out. Link in the description once again. Now it's time for the keycaps. Once again, from Kinetic Labs, big part of this video. You can't tell I'm a big fan. The Octopus PBT keycaps. They're made with a thick PBT and double shot legends, cherry profile, and look sick in that purple pinkish colorway. The colors are so rich in this set, and I would definitely recommend you go pick these up. Link in the description. Now the build is all finished, and I'm so stoked to have this one on my desk. Super clean look, minimal, but also badass. Now it's time for the sound test. I am going to say that I couldn't give you a proper typing sound test. Because of my hand, because of the carpal tunnel, it really affects the way I do things. So I'm going to do my best, but please work with me. So I'm sorry I couldn't give you a full typing sound test. But anyways, let's hear this keyboard. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I think it came out great. Way better than what I expected. And the colorway looks sick. Thank you, Kinetic Labs, and thank you, Banggood, for sending me the keyboard. I really do recommend you go build this thing, dude. It's so nice. Especially that spacebar, man. You hear that thing? Ooh. But anyways, man, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We were super close to 10,000 subscribers, so please go subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Go ahead and like the video if you did enjoy. And yeah, put a lot of effort in this video. Hopefully you liked the video, man. Oh my gosh, took a while. But anyways, that is the end of the video, like I've already said. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.